if Maria's right, we got to remain positive, and if we were to get the money, then I wouldn't want us to have to wait for the commission meeting to go ahead and get the install bids, because it would be wonderful to get that in place.
Yeah, John, that's what we're trying to prove is, you know, don't spend any more money than there is, but we're going to give authority to continue the plan based on the money.
Exactly.
So that's going to be the motion. Well, let me see.
Leo keeps really close track.
I watch the dollars.
Well, yeah, but you don't want your audit to show that,
Yeah, you don't.
we want a pre-approval on
No.
how that's going on.
No, this is, I think that was a really good point. But let me see, let me have a motion then.
Well, I think the first motion is to accept the proposal on the table, which is span replacement, you know, for the truss. And that's what we've started design under, so I think that was the first thing you brought up, is that we approve that formally, that's our plan, is that correct?
Yeah.
I'll second the motion.
Any further discussion?
Yeah, I just think it needs to be stated that while that is the plan we're voting on, that has been, we have been told by the professional engineering firm that that is our only option. Really, it's not like we're deciding between two options at this point. The other option fell aside when the metal was tested and determined to be too brittle to allow it to be straightened.
And you have a letter to that.
Absolutely. And so clearly none of us are in a position to second guess what the engineering firm has gone through an extensive and lengthy process to determine on our behalf. So I just think that should be, I just want to make sure everybody understands that. So yeah, I did second the motion.
So it's a motion. Does that modify the motion?
No,
Motion,
that was just.
In discussion, I guess the other thing that I would, just for the minutes, would be to say that also we have an option that will meet SHPO, you know, we can meet all the SHPO criteria with this option.
We can.
Well,
And that's our
clearly
understanding
proceeding
also,
with
I
it,
think, right now.
I think maybe we need to add to the motion that our recommendation to proceed with that option is subject to final approval from SHPO. It appears that we'll be able to get that, but we don't have final approval at this point.
You know, the one question that I had, you know, when I called into, and I may need your help here a little bit, Bill, but I was probing on how much authority the SHPO office really had, and looking at options, and it is surprising how much they have exercised. That's why I don't want to put the authority. I don't want to put that in the motion, because I don't want to give authority where none is.
She has absolute authority to process. She held up the BNSF on building a second rail out in the middle of nowhere in Apache Canyon for a year and a half, and she almost held us up in requiring the land to trade to the UP for a multimodal and fueling station down in the empty desert by Santa Teresa. And in this case, this is state property, so her power is pretty absolute. The other side of it is, my understanding of the current situation from talking to her, is she just sent that letter to you. And what she wants back from that is a letter to her formally codifying that we have determined that our only viable option is the replacement.
Yes.
And then we can go to details. My sense is that we are in a meeting of the minds on this, and while there might be some further detail work to be worked out, that we're going to be okay with SHPO on this.
So let's try it a little bit. That was my concern about the authority pieces, that I didn't want to hand any over if we didn't need to. My proposed language may not be any good either, but the idea was just that this option does that we can meet the SHPO criteria with this option was what I had proposed.
I would suggest that you just say this is what we're going to do, and then Leo conveys that to SHPO, and if SHPO comes back and says no, then we have a problem.
Yeah.
But this is our action, this is your action, and then she will have a formal general procedure in front of her on which to make some determination.
Okay.
Then let's not put it in the motion. The motion is the way it
Yeah,
stands.
this
We
is our
have-
proposal.
But the motion does indicate that this is our only viable option.
You want to read it?
Read it back.
Pete Foster, he moves to approve formally the proposal of HDR's second option, replace all 6 spans, which is the only viable option for rebuilding the Balta trestle. For fixing, repairing the Balta trestle.
How does that motion sound? Seconded?
Yeah, that's what I seconded.
Any further discussion?
Just as an open, I just wanted to commend Marvin and John, because how we got to this point is we sent these 2 gentlemen out onto that trestle to take those additional coupons. And, that's a lot easier said than done. And, I
You mean for
commend them.
young, strong guys like that, Jimmy?
Yeah, to go out onto that trestle and take those coupons that brought this back to really fine this down into the only
Okay.
feasible solution was because these guys went out there and made it happen.
I agree 100%, but I'll tell you something, I still don't understand how that was not done as part of the original assessment.
Well, partly
But-
because that was the issue. They took the coupons where it was easy to take the coupons.
Well, I understand.
And so we sent our guys out. We sent our guys out
It
to
is
take
what
the
it is.
coupons where it's difficult to take the coupons, and they got the job done.
Okay.
And I
And
think
so
it's
here
pretty
we are.
good.
Well, let me move this along. All those in favor, say aye.
Aye.
The ayes have it. So, now, do we have a second? We're looking at another motion here.
I make a motion that we proceed with the design contract, is that what it's called? As proposed by HDR and as recommended by Marvin and John to proceed with.
Do we hear a second?
I'll second.
Discussion?
That wasn't a very good motion because you shouldn't end a sentence with, but clean it up.
A minor issue, very minor, is construction observation. And as part of that contract, we came back to HDR and said, could we have somebody from the management company, or consultant of the management company, conduct the construction observation? HDR said yes, so we whittled that proposal down. But I think what came out of that also was, is it cheaper to have HDR do its own construction observation, or is it more expensive to have John do the construction observation? These are very minute details, but I wanted to let you know that that was part of that HDR proposal. And I think that I would give,
Is it part of the engineering design, or is it part of the?
that's
proposal?
actually part of the construction, but it was part of the, proposal that HDR submitted, was the cost for services during bidding and construction observation, correct?
Here's what I'm thinking. Let me tell you what I'm
My
thinking.
motion was only approving the
design.
design portion,
I think your comment is going to be
which
applicable
leaves
to the
the other
next.
Okay.
a
to the
little more
next motion.
flexible.
Fair enough,
And that's what your second was.
okay.
Any further discussion? All those in favor, say aye.
Wait, Marvin and John, are you okay with this? This is what you'd like? Okay.
Maybe one, we did, the purchase order that we gave to HDR included the reduced fee for the bidding phase and the construction observation phase, but based on that reduced fee. Because the bidding phase is going to follow right behind the plan, so I would say that will probably happen before the next meeting. So I would suggest that we
Okay,
try
we're
to
only
include-
approving the plan in this motion.
Okay, I think we want to include the bidding portion in there too.
Yeah,
I will
because,
modify my motion to include the bidding component.
Okay, so let's hear the motion again.
well, we're leaving Leo out there a little.
It wasn't that?
Yes,
Say something.
yeah.
In this motion, or in this purchase order, besides them helping us with the bidding, they also review the shop drawings. And that's probably the most critical part of the fabrication is the shop drawings.